Dabbu Ratnani 2015, we're back.
Hi, this is Dabbu Ratnani.
I'm Shah Rukh Khan.
This is Hrithik Roshan.
Hi, this is Akshay Kumar.
Hi, this is Sonakshi Sinha.
This is Vidya Balan.
This is Priyanka Chopra.
This is Ranveer Singh.
This is Siddharth Malhotra.
Hi, I'm Alia Bhatt.
This is Varun Dhawan.
This is Shraddha Kapoor.
This is Anushka Sharma.
Hi, this is Pariniti Chopra.
This is John Abraham.
I'm Arjun Rampal.
This is Bipasha Basu.
This is Farhan Akhtar.
This is Jacqueline Fernandez.
16 years, Dabbu. Congratulations. Fun to be part of it again.
It's great to have such a long-lasting relationship.
The only way we get to understand that the year has come to an end is when Dabbu's calendar shots have to be done. Thank you, Dabbu.
Thank you for thinking of me and having me in your calendar yet again.
I have had the honor and the privilege for shooting for the first time with the Dabbu Ratnani.
I congratulate Dabbu. Thank you so much, Dabbu, and more important than that, thank you for being there for me.
I was over the moon when I received, the call to be on the calendar.
Well, shooting for Dabbu Ratnani's calendar is definitely every year a must for me.
Dabbu Ratnani's annual calendar, it's a ritual.
It's always fun shooting with Dabbu.
It's amazing, I've seen his growth as a photographer and, his family grow also. And it's lovely. It's really, really amazing every time we come and shoot this calendar. It's like an annual thing for me now.
By the end of the year, I'm waiting for that phone call, from Dabbu or Manisha asking me, so when can you shoot? Because it's almost like a good luck charm.
This is probably the most cracked shoot that we've done.
A lot of fun, quick, happy.
My 14th calendar shot with Dabbu. It's been 14 years now. Wow. And I'm still looking good because he still makes me look good.
I always enjoy working with Dabbu because Dabbu has a very peculiar way of working. The most important thing, especially for me also, is that he's very fast. He's effective and fast, and that's what I love about him.
I think shooting for Dabbu is the easiest thing to do. He's somebody who just lets you be in front of the camera.
I guess the best way to realize you come to the end of the year is when you come, like when Dabbu starts calling you and says, okay, it's time for that calendar shot. And then you realize how much, how fast time's gone by.
Yet another photo shoot with Dabbu for his calendar. And as always, very innovative, very unique, very different.
I think any actor's year is not complete till we are on this calendar. So thank you very much for making me feel very special.
16 years, Dubs. Well done. Congratulations. And yeah, I've had the honor of being in it 14 times. So that's pretty cool. It's something we're all very proud of. And we all look forward to it.
I have told Dabbu this that he's the first man to get me in bed for a shoot.
As usual, December time arrives. So what comes in December time? 3 things. Christmas, New Year, and Dabbu's calendar shoot.
My shot is
My shot is
extremely embarrassing for me.
unpredictable.
It's very hardcore,
It's very grunge.
very mardo wala shot.
My shot is female power.
Very, very hot.
Hot.
Hot. It's going to be wet. It's going to be quirky.
It is black, it is white, it is intense, it is love.
It's raw, it's hard.
The most high-flying, crazy-ass shot you've ever seen in your life.
Very, very tiring.
Quirky, crazy.
Sleepy? Beautiful sleepy? Sleeping Beauty.
My shot is naughty, but nice, and very flirty.
It's Dabbu Ratnani and John Abraham as a combination at their best.
There are a lot of cuts that I've got because of Dabbu Ratnani. I will be filing a police complaint, Dabbu. And yes, I will see you in jail.
Very aggressive, a lot of brick and dirty and muddy again.
My shot is sexy. No. It's super sexy.
Timeless.
I can't remember that either.
A little bit psychotic.
OMG. Crazy, crazy, crazy shot.
Sexy.
This time, my shot, like last time, also will be the best shot.
My shot's all caged up. It's behind spokes, and I ain't the spoke in the wheel.
My shot was impossible without Dabbu telling me how to do it.
My shot is gonna make news.
It's super hot and sexy, so look out for...
My shot in Dabbu Ratnani's
2015 calendar.
Hope you guys enjoy the calendar. Watch out for my shot in
Dabbu's
2015 calendar.
Watch out for my crazy, sexy, sex on a toast shot on
Dabbu Ratnani much awaited calendar.
Watch out for my shot
in Dabu Ratnani's 2015 calendar.
Watch out for my shot.
Shot by Dabu Ratnani, so watch out for it.
You got to watch out if you're getting into 2015 for my shot in Dabu's calendar.
Please do watch out for my shot in Dabu Ratnani's calendar 2015.
Watch out for Amitabh Bachchan's calendar. Dabu Ratnani 2015 calendar. All the very best. Thank you for being here. Peace out.
Yeah, my first Dabu Ratnani calendar.
Dabu, love you.
I love you, Dabu. Mwah!